So this is the Doblez. This is the Vamos fat tire fold-up bike. Comes in a 13, 16, 19 amp hour battery size. And of course, Doblez is Spanish for fold. So it does exactly like that. So with the seat and the battery off, it's about 23 kilos. It's really handy for van lifers, people who are traveling around the country and they want a little travel companion while they can leave their car at the campsite. The other great thing about this bike is that it's super adjustable for people's sizes. So I've seen 13-year-old kids ride them, and I've seen people who are 6'6", 6'7" ride them, just like that if you're super tall. This comes in a black or a red. We do see people use them riding around the city as well because it can compact in a really small space. So if you don't live in a large area, you can fold this one up and it can kind of sneak off in the corner of your room. We've also got those fat tires, so it's pretty comfortable on the off-road terrain. We've also got front suspension and seat suspension, so you can really take it off-road. That makes it even better for those people traveling around Australia who are camping. Usually the terrain around campsites is pretty bumpy, so this is going to get you to the shops or to the pub a bit easier and a bit more comfortable. The Doblez, we've been selling this for about 5 or 6 years. It's been a bestseller for ages. We love seeing people kick around on this, and 19 amp hour is the biggest battery you can get with it, which is going to get you 60 to 70 Ks.